is a spindle positioning program. Let's run how it tests the positioning. What it does is run the spindle at 100 RPM and stop with the M19 spindle positioning function, and we check the zero against the jaw. And repeats the loop over and over again until you decide to reset the program. We will test this positioning 10-20 times. This test will tell us if we have any variation in the spindle feedback.